In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect an MCP server to a custom agent in Notion. To get started, open Notion and navigate to the custom agents area. This is where you can manage the agents you've already created, as well as configure new ones for specific tasks. Once you're there, either create a new custom agent or open an existing one that you want to update. If you already know which agent should use the MCP connection, it's usually best to open that one directly so you can focus on its setup. After you've opened the agent, look for the connections or tools section. The exact label may vary slightly depending on the version of the interface you're using, but this is the area where external capabilities and integrations are usually managed. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right place before moving on, because this is where the MCP connection will be added. Next, add a new MCP connection. You should see an option to create or attach a new connection, and from there, choose MCP if it appears as a connection type. This step is what links your custom agent to the external MCP server, so it can access the tools and capabilities provided through that connection. Once the new connection is created, enter the MCP server URL or any other required connection details. Be careful to enter everything exactly as provided, since even a small typo in the address or configuration can prevent the connection from working correctly. If your setup includes additional fields, fill those in as needed based on your MCP server configuration. If authentication is required, choose the appropriate authentication method. Depending on how the MCP server is set up, you may be asked to sign in, provide a token, or use another supported method. Make sure you select the correct option so the agent can connect securely and reliably. After that, select which tools the agent is allowed to use through the MCP connection. This is an important part of the setup because it determines what the agent will actually be able to access and do. If there are multiple tools available, choose the ones that match the purpose of your agent and avoid enabling anything unnecessary. Finally, test the agent to confirm that the MCP connection is working properly. Run a simple test task or prompt that uses one of the connected tools and verify that the response behaves as expected. If something doesn't work, go back and review the connection details, authentication method, and tool selection. Once the test succeeds, your custom agent should be ready to use with the MCP server inside Notion.